Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. In this video, we'll show you how to add notes to your posts. Let's get started. So on the blog post editor, click the three dot button on the top right, and below, select Notes. We'll open the Notes panel here on the right. To add a note, simply type whatever you want over here. Once you're done typing your notes, you can just go ahead and click on Add, and it'll be added over here. These notes are completely private and will only be visible in the blog editor. You can edit or delete these notes at any time by clicking the three dot button next to it. And here you'll find the options to edit or delete. You might also see this check mark over here. So you can mark your comment as resolved by checking this, and it'll remove that note there since it's already resolved. And there you go. That's how you use the Notes panel and add notes to your blog post. This video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.